So the solution to our problem lies in, guess what, in Font Awesome. These are icons. So we can go to Font Awesome and search for a star. So we go back, just search for star on your Font Awesome. Once you get star, we need 2 stars. Look at this one. This one is complete, and we need this one that is half star. So let's get the full star first. That's star half. Click on it, and of course, as usual, scroll down, click here, then head back, then go to your code. Right beside the 4.5 rating, we're going to put 4 stars. Before we make them 4, let us determine what the color should be. Alright, so we can do something like text. Do you remember? Let's go to Bootstrap to see how to color a text yellow. Text danger. Content types, text and links. That's not it. We're looking for color. Okay, search for color. So generally, look at it. Generally, if you know, look at what we're looking for. Text warning. So text warning is yellow. If you just get a general overview of what you're doing, then the rest, everything is easy. So we'll duplicate this. Alright, so let's go and check. If you just know the general idea of what you're looking for, then coding with Bootstrap is easy. Look at 4 stars. Let's check how many stars that are here. Here we have 4 stars, then 1 is not full. So we're looking for, we'll go to that icons, we'll look for this half star, click on it, and once it opens, we're scrolling down to copy this. So once we copy this, it's easy. It's easy as ABC, easy peasy. So we have text warning, far star half, text warning, space, text warning. That's it, and we're good. So we're good. 4.58, 18. So that's it. Now the last thing I think that we have here is this bottom line. So this bottom, remember that it's a little bigger than this one. So we're going to create a p tag, and inside it we're going to write I think it's $199, and then there is what do we have there? $9.99, $9.99. So from what I'm saying, alright, so this one is a little small. It's smaller. Let's see if small works here. Alright, so we'll have to refresh, reload. Okay, makes sense. The only thing is that it's dropping too low, so we have to fix that too. So the first thing you notice is that this is dropping too low. We need to move it to the right. So right here, if you look around, we need to remove the p tag, remove this p tag, so that everything is inside one p tag. Look at it. We made sure that everything inside this is in one p tag. Alright, but also we need to make sure that this is in a new line. Normally in HTML you're supposed to do like BR tag like this, just put it in a new line. Let me show you. Reload. It kind of looks cool like this, but there is a way to do it in Bootstrap. In Bootstrap we can just create a dummy span, or create a span. Yes. Then we'll create a class inside it that is called enter. So the class is called display block. So in Bootstrap you just do d block. So deep lock means it will spread across such that anything underneath this will be thrown under. So we're gonna do it. It will have the same effect, but it's more professional. And the next thing we have to do is to push this guy to right. So we simply float right. In Bootstrap, I think we should put this inside the class float right. Apart from float right, you can do offset. Alright, so we can offset it if we want. Reload. So it has come, but the div pushed it down a little. So I think instead of div, we could do span. Span will not push it down. Span. Alright. And our problem is solved. So let's compare with what we have here. Cool. Makes sense. Or what do you think? Makes sense to me. So another thing we can do is to make one. We need to cancel this. Put a cancel on it. So this is basic CSS where you use text transform. Let's go and Google it. How to use text transform. Text transform in CSS. How to strike through in CSS. So it's text transform strike through, but I just want to Google it so you see how to find something. Is it text decoration on the line through? That's it. Text decoration line through. Alright. So that's where we are. So in CSS we're going to do a text decoration. Text. So we'll do a class. Let me just bring this lower. Do a class. Remember, you can get my code from my GitHub in case you prefer the code directly. So text transform text. Let me just paste what I have there. Oops. Text decoration. Every time I copy it doesn't work. Line through. Alright. So it will cancel this, and we still need to put in. I think let's refresh and see first before we go further. Reload. Didn't work, did it? No. So the reason it didn't work is because we are doing something stupid. We're writing CSS inside class. This is the most stupid thing I've done today. So it should be inside a style, and then we can test again. Keep your eye here and reload. See, it is now streaking through. Now the only thing we have to do is to make sure that the color is a little muted. So remember that we can do text muted. So let's make the color a little gray by doing text muted. We'll do class text dash muted. Alright, so I will have to break some of this so you can see it easy. That's how it is, text muted. So if you refresh, just to make it a little light gray, it's now light gray, and this one is bolder. So that's just it, guys. There is endless. You can do endless modifications on this. You understand? Endless. At the end of the day, it's just about getting this card right. Then now we have this card right, we can now spread it across into 5 places. All right. But this video is already too long. I'm going to stop here and continue in the next video. Thank you very much.